Hi, welcome to my channel, The Cultural Classroom. My name is Allison. I am a teacher, a Spanish teacher of 8 years, and in today's video, I will be going over my top 3 planner essentials for creating your planner and to get it to look like my planner. So to getting your downloaded file to look like this planner right here. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss a video. I also put out videos on ed tech and tips and tricks and tools on just managing the classroom in the foreign language space. And also, if you find that you get some enjoyment out of this video, hit the like button. Let me know that you like it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. On with the show. So one of the most attractive parts of the planner, besides the planner itself, is this disc-bound system that I decided to go with for this planner. So the disc-bound system, or ring-bound system, whichever way you want to call it, are these discs right here that I use to organize the paper that I put in the planner. And the cool thing about this system is that the way that I hole punch it, which I'm going to go into next, allows me to be able to take off a sheet of paper, the cover, or whatever I put in the planner, and if I decide, I can put it right back in there or move it around, put it in a different space, etc., etc. So I think this is such a game changer for teachers because we can put things that we want to photocopy in our planner and then save it for when we pass by the photocopy machine and things like that. This is such a hashtag teacher life moment. But you can, go with any color you want with the disc. I went with the metallics because I really like the rose gold metallic look. There's also golds. There's also pink that's metallic, like a metallic pink that they have. They have other colors available, and it's really beautiful. The disc-bound system is just wonderful. It comes from the Happy Planner system, and I really enjoy their variety and the system that they offer. There are other brands, and you can look into the other brands. I believe that Martha Stewart offers some. There's another brand that I used, Talia, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. And then the Tool system, TUL, and etc., etc. But this disc-bound system, this ring-bound system, is definitely something that you want to look into if you decide that you want to organize your binder, your planner, in the same way that you want to organize it as mine. As I mentioned before, the way that my personal planner system, the one that I printed up and organized and advertised, is set up around the ARC system, or some people might be familiar with it as the Happy Planner system. And so, like I said, you can pull out the pages, you can put the pages back in, you can hole punch the pages, put the pages in, take them out, do whatever you want to do. And so this is the hole puncher that I used. This is the ARC staple hole puncher, and I went with this one as opposed to the Happy Planner one. Now I do have the Happy Planner one, just a disclaimer, I do have the Happy Planner one, but I ended up using the ARC Staples brand because it was more sturdy and it could hole punch through laminated paper, and my covers are laminated. Just an FYI, if you're interested in getting your covers to look like mine as well, my covers are laminated, and I have another video that goes into detail in terms of how I get all of my covers to get laminated and the products that I use, etc., etc. But in this video, I just wanted to kind of give you a quick and dirty rundown of how you could get your planner to look like mine in just 3 easy steps. So the quickest way to get your planner to look like mine is to get it on the ARC system or the Happy Planner system. So the way that this planner or this hole puncher works is you take the hole puncher, take a piece of paper, you just slide it in, you punch it, and then you get these little interesting looking holes, and these holes grab on to the rings. And when they grab onto the rings, they don't come off. So they're really sturdy. They stay on, so you don't have to worry. Just like how you see I've been manhandling my planner, it stays together, it stays on. So I could take this page and now put this as my cover. Though this is a really light sheet of paper, I probably wouldn't use this sheet of paper. And voila, now I have a new cover, okay? Would not use this. Again, in my other video, I go into detail as to the paper that I use. I use a very specific type of paper. This is just regular printing paper. And you can use regular printing paper, you know, like this just came off with ease. And look at that, all of the edges are still intact. They're all still intact. And I can put it back on. And take it off. And they're all still good. It's amazing. I love this system. So anyhow, I use 32-pound paper hammer mill from Amazon. Again, that's in my other video, check it out. And yeah, that's the paper that I use because it's very thick and it's like, not like poster paper, but kind of, it's, you know, getting closer to that thicker paper. All right, the last part of making your planner look like mine is to incorporate stickers, decorations, washi tape, all of that stuff. So that's this segment of the video. If you saw in other videos, you saw that in my September pacing guide, I had a lot of stickers, a lot of decorations, and I do that a lot in my journaling, in my normal life. I incorporate a lot of stickers because I love stickers. I have so many packs of stickers. It's actually kind of crazy. So you can get the Happy Planner sticker system, which is really cute. They have tons of nice stickers. So they have like these teacher stickers, which have regular, you know, normal teacher things such as staff development day, end of grading period, report cards, things like that. And so just normal things that teachers need. Also words of encouragement for teachers. I also love, I just picked a couple of my favorites. I also love this botanicals one. This one has a lot of flowers in it. And so this one's just, I don't know, it's just very aesthetically pleasing, just very pretty to decorate your planner with. In one of my videos, I started decorating October with this this one here. This is a good angle to show you guys what some of the stickers look like. Okay. And then the planner is not dated, which I did intentionally because I wanted you guys to have the option to use the planner again if you wanted to. If you wanted to use it for the 2021-22 school year, which would be the following school year, you could use it for then. And so you could get the Happy Planner memory keeping, which is the dates and holidays. And they have tons of different numbers that you can put in. So they have like bubbly numbers, more serious numbers. You know, they have smaller numbers in the back. So pretty cool system. And last but not least is the journaling one. I love the journaling one. That one has numbers too, and they come in like a gold and rose gold, which is my favorite. And I also use that in my October planning too. And it has the days of the week and the months and little arrows and just different things that are just kind of cute, habit trackers, and empty boxes that you can write stuff in that's important and things like that. So those are the elements that I think are the most important elements of the planner system that I have created. I think that it is very important, if you want your planner to look like mine, to get on the, or at least to investigate the Happy Planner ARC system, Happy Planner or ARC system. And I think that also incorporating stickers, washi tape, decorations is also very important in just giving that that bubbliness, that joy to planning. And I wish you guys luck in the new school year, and I wish you guys a really, really, really just joyous planning experience, because I have been loving all of this planning and I've been finding so much happiness in all of this planning, and I just wish that you guys just have an ounce of the happiness that I've been experiencing in all of this planning and all of this in this experience. So happy planning, and I will see you guys around. Ciao.